Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Reconnect. In this video, we are going to guide you about cPanel and its functionality inside the cPanel. So let's begin with the tutorial. We have to enter our domain, and at the end we have to use /cPanel. Your domain credentials. The hosting credential will be shared by your hosting provider. This is the screen for logging in into cPanel. Now here we have to use the username that is already shared by your hosting provider and use the password. Now click on login button. And this is the user interface that we usually get, and this is the latest theme that's being used. Just in case if your hosting provider isn't providing with this particular theme, just make sure you are using this paper lantern theme and click OK. This might change from different hosting provider to a different hosting provider. Now here it is a search button, which you can type anything over here that you need. This is a quick search button. Typing anything here will give you the search result. Suppose I am typing here email, and you can find out email account, email routing, globe email filters, and everything related with emails. Beside this, you will find out a small logo sort of thing that is digital read. This is my username that I have been logged in with. Here you see this account preference. I am holding control button and clicking on this. I will show you what are the options present in this. So this is basically a very much empty page. So let's go back. Now here you will find out like password and security. Again I am holding the control button and clicking on this. In this section you can change your user password, whatever your old password is. I mean the hosting provider, whatever he would have provided you, you can add that password with replacing it with a newer password. Now you have to click on change your password now. As soon as you change your password, it will give you a success message. I'm closing this window again. Now this is change language setting, contact information, reset page settings, and beside this particular you will find out logout button. So once you click on this, you will be logged out of cPanel. Now coming to the left hand side, this is also a quick search bar. This has a different functionality than what we have seen over here. When you search for anything related to email, the one that I have shown here and the filter that's over here, you will find out there are two different way of filters. The way we search here and the way we search here is totally different. This is the file manager where all the file that you upload to cPanel will be stored. Let me take you into this. As soon as you click on file manager, a new tab will open and you will be redirected to it. Since I have installed WordPress on this particular panel hosting, these are the files of WordPress. It's very much new installation. This WordPress installation and other guide we will be uploading in next upcoming video. So stay and subscribe to our channel to learn more about this. Now we will go back again to cPanel main menu. By clicking on the above icon, you can directly come back to home screen of cPanel. These are the disk usage options. You can also find the same over here. Total storage, since I have been allocated around 2.5 GB, I have used just 230 MB. You can see my SQL database usage, number of subdomains I can have, email accounts, bandwidth. Bandwidth is nothing but the total space being utilized by your visitors. Now let's go to the next section. You can also minimize and maximize based on your requirement. You can even move this below and above the way you need. Since I use file manager a lot, I usually keep it at the top. Now here these are email preferences, email tab, you can also call it as. This section I'm about to guide you about email accounts, how to create email account. So as soon as you click on email account section, you will be landing onto this page wherein you will find out this button that mentions create. Over it, just click on it once. Add any desired username. I'm typing contact. Now you can generate a password or you can type in your desired password. So anything that you wish. I am generating a password usually. Copy this and keep it safe. You can turn it off just like this. As soon as you click on create, this particular account will be created. By clicking on check email, it will redirect you to a different page. Click on available functions. This is your inbox. Basically this inbox is also a mail configuration details, wherein if you wanted to configure with Outlook or any third-party email service provider, you have to enter these details. We will also be uploading a video on how to configure emails through cPanel. In our upcoming video, we will be uploading a video on configuration with Outlook and on mobile. These are the data that will help you to get it configured. Here is the same box, the draft, and by clicking on this you can just compose a new mail. So this is very much new. Most of the folders are empty. Let me mail to here. You have to enter the recipient address, subject, and you can type in your message. This is an attachment. You can also add signature and everything here. More about this we will be uploading in an upcoming video. So kindly stay connected with us. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you. We are closing this window. Now coming back to cPanel, I'm clicking on home button. This is domain section. So in this section, your hosting provider offers you an add-on domain feature, subdomain, domains, and redirects. This is domain section. In this section, you can find out domains linked to this account. Just click on domains and you will find out the number of domains that has been used on this particular account. Just in case, if you want to add a new domain or subdomain, stay connected. I will guide you in the same video. How to add a subdomain in cPanel. Now, as soon as you jump to Domains section in your cPanel, you will find out this particular icon. This also says Subdomains. Let's create a subdomain. Now, I need a subdomain as news.digitalreconnect.com. As soon as you type news and click outside anywhere over here, you will find out that this is an auto-generated root folder. Click on create. Now this says success. It means that the subdomain has successfully been created. There are two subdomains on digitalreconnect.com currently. That very recent one that we have created is news. So I will also guide you over here. It says that how to remove it. So just click on remove, click on delete subdomain, and that's it. This option, in this page you will find out about most of the feature about CNAME, MX record, text. Will guide you a step by step in our upcoming video on what are these and how to add or edit these feature or what are these records all about. These are the database that's being created on this account. In-depth detail on PHP-MyAdmin, MySQL databases, MySQL database wizard, remote MySQL will be uploaded in our next video. This is the matrices. So here you can find out number of visitors, errors on your website, bandwidth, webalizer, AW stats, matrix editors. This is the security section. Here you will find out like if there is any error on your website, this IP blocker or leech protection or SSL TLS status. Just to know any of the status, you can click on this. These are the software available to be installed on your cPanel. Basically WordPress, PHP, Softaculous, multi-PHP editors, multi-PHP managers. So with these you can manage your website. Any basic website or standard websites can be managed with just a particular Softaculous app installer. An in-depth tutorial video will be uploaded on Softaculous and WordPress in coming days. So I request you, if you want to learn on this, you have to subscribe to our channel and stay connected. So that's all about particularly cPanel. In next video, we'll upload in-depth detail of cPanel. Hope you have liked the video and my explanation meets your expectation. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to our channel and help us grow.